In a previous video, I showed you how to use random number generators, and in this video, we'll be creating an app that uses random number generators. So anyways, let's get into this video. So in this video, we are going to create an app for conversation starters. So it's going to pick a random conversation starter, and we're going to create a new Xcode project. This is going to be a single view application. This is going to be called Conversation Starters, even though you can call this whatever you want. Language is Swift. Devices is universal. And save it wherever. And I'll make it a bit bigger. So we're going to head to our main.storyboard first. I'll change the color for fun. So just click on the color. I like that one. So we're going to add a label. This is going to be a big label. So we're going to just call this Conversation Starters. And before I do anything else, I'm going to resize the simulator for the plus model, because I'm working with a plus simulator. And I'll make that a bit bigger. So center align it. I'm going to change the font by clicking the T icon, select custom, and select whichever font you want. I like that font. We're going to add one more label. This time it says, this is going to say, when you don't know what to talk about. So users can refer to the app when they don't know what to talk about. So we're going to add one more label that says, press the button below. And again, center align it. I'm going to change the font to Gil Sans. I like that font. I'll make it a bit bigger. We're going to add a button. Okay. I'm going to change the color to be a little brighter for this. So something really blue or purplish, but anyways, I'll make this a bit bigger. This is going to say press me. And I'm going to change the font again. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it for fun. Alright, and one more thing we need to add is a label. This is going to be our answer. And we're going to make lines equal to 0. And we're going to make this a bit bigger. That should be good. We're going to center align it and change the font for this. And that seems to be good. So this answer is a temporary placeholder. We're going to delete that before running the app. So now we're going to open up our assistant editor. We can close that off. We are going to drag our answer label, so control drag. This is going to be an outlet. You can call it whatever you want. Now the button is going to be an action. I'm going to call this press me. You can call it whatever you want. And in the press me, we're going to create a variable called random starter. which is equal to arc for random underscore uniform with parentheses. So here in the parentheses you can type 10. So I want to have 10 random starters, and I'm going to add one more thing. So if random starter is equal to 0, then parentheses, we're going to say answer.text is equal to quotation marks, and I'm going to copy and paste this line of code multiple times. But right now I'm going to switch over to a viewcontroller.swift file. I'm going to copy this code 9 more times. So I'm going to speed this part of the video up. Okay, we have 10, and I just need to change the 0 to 1 to 2, and we'll speed this part of the video up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I am using a website for these conversation starters. You can use any, and some of these are going to be mine, but you can just Google them and they will show up. So I'm just going to copy and paste these in the answer.text quotation marks. And I'm going to speed this part of the video up. Okay, so I have now finished my 10 random ones. As you can see, I did put some of mine, like Mac or PC, Android or iOS. What fruit do you like? Do you have a case on your phone? Those kind of questions I have added. So it's really simple. You just need to paste some discussion starters in here or whatever your app is. And now we're going to build and run and see what happens. Okay, now you do see that we forgot about the answer here, so real quickly I'm going to delete that answer text so that it is invisible to the user. It's gonna run again. We're gonna press the press me button, and you can see that the questions pop up. Android or iOS. Some are going to repeat because it is picking a random number, so some will repeat, like it just repeat. But anyways, it is doing random conversation starters. So there you go, how to create a basic app for random number generator. It is a pretty cool app, conversation starters. So anyways, the project files for this will be in the description below. If you need help, you can comment in the comment section below, and you can always comment on our Discord chat page. But anyways, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the world's second youngest app developer. I'll catch you guys in the next video.